Today we're going to make a smashed cucumber salad using Jay's Zinger sauce. If you missed that recipe, check here.
Start by peeling your cucumbers. Don't take all of it off. Then you're going to need something heavy to crush it. I think the best thing would be a Chinese cleaver or a rolling pin. I didn't use my knife because it's not heavy enough. The best thing I could find was this wooden spoon. Here you can see how it splits into 4 pieces. Then use your knife and cut where it cracked. You can see how the juice is coming out now because of the crushing. Then lay them out flat and cut on a 45-degree bias. Here you can see again the other half. It's a very textural salad. Don't worry about the pieces being perfect. You just want roughly bite size. Now's a good time to salt. That'll pull juice out from the cucumber and combine in your final dressing at the end. Just give it a good toss. Clean up your cilantro. Just take out any of the woody stems. And gather it together, and we're going to cut it into 1-inch sections. So not too fine. You want something more of a bite size. Here's the texture you're going for. And you want a lot of it. This is supposed to be cucumbers and herbs. I'm adding more chilies. There's chilies in the Jay's Zinger sauce, but I want some more just for the freshness and vibrancy of it. So we need lime zest and lime juice. Just crush the lime on your board again so you get more juice. Here's pickled onions that I've made. They're a lot sweeter and don't have that harsh edge of a raw onion. I'll post another link to how to make those. Then we're going to use the Jay's Zinger sauce. Maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons. And give it a good mix. Don't worry about it getting bruised. You've already smashed the cucumbers. It's not going to do anything now. Now's a good time to taste. I think it needed a bit more acidity, so I'm going to add more lime juice. And an extra pinch of salt, just to bring up that flavor. You could also put in soy sauce or fish sauce. That would be a great addition. I left it out just for simplicity. Find a nice white bowl. That'll really set off the colors and show off your salad. I'm just going to finish it off with a few more of those nice pickled onions.
That's how easy it is to make a smashed cucumber salad using Jay's Zinger sauce. Yep, that's amazing. See you next time.